Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A07. In this video let me show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working. So if your device's fingerprint sensor is being slow or it fails to recognize your finger, it is usually due to some software calibration or, for example, environmental factors. So we're gonna use the method that is called double register. Let's open settings and let's go to security and privacy section. From here, let's select lock screen lock and biometrics, enter your current PIN, and from here under the section biometrics you want to tap on your fingerprint. So now, first of all, you want to delete your existing fingerprint. To do that, tap the fingerprint and let's tap remove in the top right and confirm it. And now tap add fingerprint and register your primary finger. So let's quickly do that. Okay, now let's tap add button when you see message on your screen fingerprint added. If you want to add another, let's tap add, and now we want to register the same finger, but this time use the very tip of your finger and the extreme sides. So do it like this from different angles. Okay, and now let's tap done button. So as you can see, I have two fingerprints, but I gave my phone 360-degree map of my finger, let's say it like this, which makes my phone unlock instantly from any angle. So yeah, that is basically it, and I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.